Welcome back to Maths Zip. We're thrilled to launch our new video today, diving even deeper into the fascinating world of mathematics. Get ready to unlock new mathematical wonders and explore concepts that will ignite your curiosity and expand your knowledge.
Today we'll learn about mathematics basic rules. Rules has great importance in mathematics because all mathematics depends upon the rules. Without knowing rules, we can't understand the math.
Today we shall learn the division rule. The division rule describes that division is the operation of determining how many times one number, which is called the divisor, is contained within another number known as the dividend. The result of this operation is called the quotient. If the divisor does not divide the dividend evenly, there may be a remainder. The division is also the inverse process of multiplication. While writing the sums of division, there are three methods to show the number's division: the first, the second, and the third. They all read in the same way as we read the first one. 15 is divided by 5. The first one is 15 is divided by 5. In the first method, we have used the division sign, where the 15 is the dividend and the 5 is called the divisor. Now, dear friends, see here we shall change the division sign into multiplication. When we change the sign, the divisor must be remained same as the divisor. Now we have 15 multiplied by 1 by 5, which is a fraction. We must know that every number has common divisor, which is 1. So here 15 has the divisor 1. Now you can see that both numbers are in fraction. Now multiply both number by fraction rule. Means we read the same table on numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. And we have the table of 5, which is applicable for both numerator and denominator. Here we shall read 3 times for 15 and 1 time for 5. After reading the table, we'll cancel 15 with 3 and 5 with 1. Now we multiply the both numerator with each other and the both denominator with each other, and we got 3 by 1. And we do not write the denominator 1 because it is common. We have the answer 3. So we got 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Here is another method, 15 by 5. This method of division is in the fraction, and we simply read the same table on the both numerator and the denominator. We'll read the table of 5. 3 times on numerator and 1 time on the denominator. And we got 3 in numerator and 1 in denominator, which is 3 upon 1. And we do not write 1 in denominator because it is common. So it will be only 3, which is the answer. This is the last and very basic method of division. Here 5 is the divisor and 15 will be the dividend. In this method, we read the table of divisor as many times as it reaches to the dividend and does not cross it. We start to read the table of 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Now it reaches to the dividend. Now if we read more times, it will exceed from the dividend, which is not allowed according to the rule of division. So we write 3 here and 15 here. Now we have the both numbers of same sign, means both numbers are positive. Now we have to change the sign of lower digit and we got minus. Now we subtract the lower digit from the upper digit. And we got 0. Means we have the quotient 3, which is the answer. In these 3 methods, we got the same answer. Means in the first 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. In the second method, we also got 3. In the last, the answer is 3. We can say that we have multiple methods to solve the division. For more practice, you can watch the next part of the video. Check yourself. It helps you more. Special cases, Any number is divided by 0 is undefined in standard arithmetic. Division of 0 by any non-zero number is 0. Division of a non-zero number by itself is 1.